Good afternoon. It is Thursday and I wanted to show you, so it's science and sensory. So we made a galaxy or outer space Play-Doh. So this is what we made. I don't know, can you see? There's some stars in there. Let me see if I can find a moon. There's a moon. There's some moons in here. Here's the moons. There's a bunch of glitter. There's a moon. And it smells just wonderful. We took a vote and we decided to put spearmint essential oil in it. You do not have to make it smell. And I will tell you that I'm going to go ahead, we're going to make it on the video. We only made half of the recipe today, so we're going to make the second half now. I don't know if you can see, but I managed to get black food coloring all over my shirt. I think it'll come out. So I'm not going to use the food coloring for this particular video. You can choose to use black food coloring. I thought maybe like a dark blue and purple might be a nice one, but we're just going to make this natural color just for the sake of my clothes. I'm sorry, I have a tendency to make a mess apparently, so I think that it's probably just safest for me to not use the food coloring. So and you'll notice that I posted a recipe. It'll say outer space Play-Doh. It says cook it on the stove. I cannot do that in the classroom. So I'm using the apple cinnamon Play-Doh recipe, but using it as the outer space Play-Doh. So this calls for 2 cups of flour. So obviously we're doing this half, so we're making this 1 cup of flour. This is not making cookies or anything, so you don't need to sift it. I don't think it needs to be sifted. It's 1 cup of salt, which means I need a half a cup, and I think I forgot the half cup. Hold on. I don't actually have a half cup. I only have a 1/4 cup. I think I've somehow lost my half cup somewhere. So I'm going to do 2 1/4 cups of salt. That is a lot of salt. I don't know if I were you, I don't think I'd want to be tasting this. It's going to be very salty. It's not going to hurt you, but I don't think it's going to taste very good. That is a lot of salt. So we'll mix that up. And then it calls for 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar. My tablespoon will not fit in my cream of tartar bottle, so we are going to use, actually I'm just going to pour it on here. So we're just going to do 1 tablespoon of cream of tartar. And like I said, this is not cookies. We're not going to be eating this, so if you don't get it exactly right, I don't think it's going to be a big deal. Mix that up. And then it says 2 tablespoons of oil. So we're going to do 1 tablespoon of oil. The one thing that it does call for, instead of cooking, it does call for boiling water. And it's 1 1/3 cup boiling water. So I have just over 2/3 of a cup. Actually, it's just under 2/3 of a cup. And then, so we're just going to mix it up. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put some spearmint essential oil in mine. Make it smell nice and minty. You do not have to put a scent in it if you don't want it. not going to make it any less fun. So we will mix this up. And then, one of the things that we thought would be fun is to put some glitter in it. That'll make it nice and outer spacey. So I thought this glitter was kind of fun. It's silvery and it's got multicolors in the silver. And I thought maybe this would be fun. We'll make our Play-Doh glittery. Since it's not going to have any color, it's going to be glittery. And then there I've got some multicolored round glitter. I think we are going to be good here. Oh, this is so pretty and glittery. I do like the spearmint. It's a nice peppy smell to me. But it also has kind of a soothing property. I don't know how it can be peppy and soothing at the same time. All right, so now I think it's at a point where I can use my hands. Try to get all of the excess incorporated in there. So we have light and dark Play-Doh. For the light of the stars, how about that? We'll have light and dark Play-Doh for the light of the stars and the dark of the night. Oh, so cool. See? Look how fun and glittery it is. I don't know, can you see? Can you see the glitter in it? I ran out of the stars and the moon, so this one was going to just have to be regular glitter. And then I can take this one out. And, oh, yeah. Oh, look, we got some white in there. All right, so that is our, I'm gonna move this stuff out of the way. We have Play-Doh, outer space Play-Doh. I hope you've enjoyed this. This one is a good recipe to use. It seems to set up really good. So, and then if you want to use some cutouts, I didn't bring any cutouts. We could probably use a roller and just roll. I think that's fun. All right, have a good afternoon. Bye, guys.